Today we're unboxing the new Rate Cycles Fender Eliminator for the 2023 to present BMW S1000R, RR, M1000R, and RR. This item, along with many others, is available at shophenna.com. A link to the item and the part number is below in the description. Sometimes on the front of the box, you'll find the part number and the barcode, but not always. Let's open it up and take a look inside. First, we have our license plate bracket. This is the tucked version. There's also a standard version available. Underneath is the LED license plate light, your wire, and your connector. Back here is the LED turn signals and brake light all in one, your wires, and your connectors. Now this is the US version. There's also an EU version available. That version will have different color turn signals and different connectors. Now all the metal in this kit is aluminum with a black textured powder coat finish. Last but not least, we have a bag of hardware with a card with a link to installation instructions if needed. This kit is completely plug and play, so no cutting, splicing, or drilling is required. The turn signals will flash at the proper speed, so no additional modules are required. If you have any questions, contact us or drop us a comment below.